We're actually at a different location. We've actually are underneath a bridge. We're going to do some magnet fishing. My Uncle Larry's also here. He's working on trying to get his rope untangled. Of course, you know, mine is in the box yet. I have not pulled mine out yet, but we are going to get things going. With that being said, I'm going to get the GoPro on the chest, and we are going to get flying and see what we can get today. Yep, we got that long cable right there yet too. So, all right, guys. Well, I will see what we can find. Sure got something here. I don't know what, but oh fuck! Guess what it is?
Second throw. Water that long.
Oh,
we got a bite. Got it?
God.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, missing a seat. Yeah, well, this is a lot.
No. Yeah, she's full of mud though.
Second cast.
On the second. Oh, and with the brand new Rogue Magnetics, the Beast.
I think we got right over on the end.
Oh, we got the magnets stuck together.
It's Rogue for you.
Oh,
Regular strong magnet.
there we go.
I think I get good at a little better with the Rogue.
Yeah.
With Clayton. Look at this sign.
Look at this.
Don't touch that center.
Nope. Don't want to touch that centerpiece.
Wait, who's all there?
What's up, Britton?
Yeah, remember him?
Hey, Brett.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the one that got it.
He's the one that found it.
Damn.
An old rail tool.
My old stuff is wet.
Oh my God. I stuck. Alright guys, I have no idea what the hell this is. Yeah, I just pulled this up. Larry was catching on something heavy, so I came over to help him. Of course, he has the S-hook for the train tracks, which is worth quite a bit of money. Behind him, there's actually a kickstand. So I do believe that there is a bicycle down here over on Division. We will keep you guys updated. Turned on. Hey, anybody want a mushroom? Found a mushroom, or Larry found a mushroom.
Just thought the same type of water in there.
Gotcha.
They won't end up doing anything with this one anyway. That's because they're basically the same way that you get from it.
Gotcha.
This one's got, yeah, there's no serial number left on that baby. Would there be any chance he might be able to get it back after 6 months?
Or is it 90 days?
90 days or whatever.
What do you mean? Sometimes the property
Retrieve
records. Yeah, sometimes you can retrieve it. You have to like put it in the newspaper or whatever. Because my wife's going through that with the MMB that she found.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I doubt it.
Okay.
You could always call.
All right, sounds good.
I'm not the guy to ask about that stuff, but. Is this your first gun? Not magnet fishing? What's that? Is this your first time for a magnet fishing call? No.
I think you had one from us before, wasn't it? Or was it somebody else?
Somebody else, I think.
Which, Brian, by chance?
I can't even remember. It was about a month and a half ago.
Oh,
I've
it might have
training
been.
people lately, so.
Gotcha.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
You
no
guys
problem.
Have a good day.
Later.
I think it's going to be a landmine. I sent it to a combat vet, looking at different pictures. It's a little
I
thin.
found one almost looked like it. Could be a top part of it.
Yeah. Can you like hold it on its side? Shape it. So, the guy I talked to was in the Marines and did a couple combat tours. He said it would have to be thicker than this because otherwise it doesn't have gunpowder. You know what I mean?
Or is that just the top of it though?
Yeah, if it's not, I can see into it into the side. I don't think it's going to be explosive because it's not thick enough for gunpowder to be inside of it, you know what I mean?
Show him that picture that you showed me, just like the top plate of it, because it's like it goes inside of a plate.
Yeah, but it has to be thicker, like more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thicker for gunpowder. That makes sense.
Yeah. He doesn't think it is. It could be a tough.
Throw a rock on the spring and find out.
Oh, God.
Go do that in the county.
So are you telling us we can do that?
No.
No, just making sure.
Just step on
We're
it,
gonna have the bomb squad come out.
burn it over,
Okay.
see what it is.
You can do whatever you like, but I'll see what you got.
I can't even find it now.
Because the picture that he showed me, it's got like the thicker part,
It looks
And
a little
then
bit thicker, and it almost
it's got
looks
the